jungle, loud and bright, the animals march in the morning light. Elephant stomps with a mighty cheer, his big gray feet we all can hear. Monkeys swing from tree to tree, chattering happily, wild and free. Lions roar so bold and proud, their voices echo long and loud. Parrots squawk with colors so grand, while turtles crawl across the sand. Giraffes stretch tall to reach the leaves, and busy bees hum around the trees. Join the parade, don't be late. In the jungle fun awaits, with every step and every sound, a world of wonders all around. In the jungle, fun awaits, the animals march in the morning light.